Robert does red leather, yellow leather. I go 1, 2, 3 with the mic check. 50 is the black one, man. The only black one.
So like highly anticipated?
Because it's the only black one, dude.
I think it's kind of ugly. I like these ones. I like that turquoise one.
CK, you're gonna say that the black one's ugly? Are we still rolling here?
You're still rolling.
Fam, did you guys hear CK say that the 50's ugly? Hit him with a thumbs down emoji in the comment section for CK. Dude, CK. All right. What's going on, Rejuvenation? Jonny Bubbles back with another sneaker unboxing. This one is a special one, guys, because Robert and I, which you already know, Pretty Boy Rob, got exclusive access for the Off-White Dunks, and we haven't opened the box. Now, we received these on Tuesday. It's now Friday as of filming this thing. The anticipation is killing me. This is my box right here. This is Robert's box. I'm excited to see what we got. But before I go ahead and open it up, leave a comment. What lot do you think we got? First person to get it right wins a free signature kit on your boy, Jonny Bubbles. That's right. You got to comment. First person that gets it right. What lot did I get? What lot did Robert get? First person to comment, free signature kit. All right, CK, which one should I open first? My left or your left? All right, we're gonna go with Robert's first. We're gonna put this one off to the side. Woo! Robert, shout out to Pretty Boy Rob for coming up with the idea. It was actually his idea for this video, so drop a comment for him. All right, let's go ahead and just pull the tab so you can. Dun, 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 dun. Yo, if Robert gets the 50 and I get something lame, I'm gonna be upset. I'm just gonna say that he got the lame one. He's not gonna know until this video comes out. All right. I don't want to look at the back. I don't want to look at the colorway, but we'll look at the box. All right, let's start off with the box. We got this new off-white box, which looks like there's tape, image of a tape around it. We got the swoosh kind of drawn in. We got a couple hands, white, little clear circles here. It says team, Nike Sportswear, location, WHQ, Beaverton, Oregon, style number DJ0950/DM1602. If you guys know what that means, let me know, because I don't. Season FA21 for fall 21 and TC code N2. Now let's go ahead and flip it on this side. Now, I don't want to read the colorway just in case it gives it away, but it's our standard Nike size tag, and retail price was $180. All right, and I don't want to show the back yet because it's going to tell us what number it is. So let's just go ahead and open it up, guys. Yo, if he got the 50, guys, or the 1, this is my shoe. Dun, 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 dun. Nope, no 50 here, but it's a banger. What lot is this? Lot number 4. Woo! Let's pull it out. Let's pull it out the box. All right, first off, let's go ahead and look inside. You got the off-white wrapping. Doesn't look like there's any extra laces. But now that I opened it up, let's go ahead and show the back of the box. It shows lot number 4 checked off. Overhead cam, do you get that? Boom, boom, boom. See, Ken, if not, you wanna go ahead and show the lot numbers? All right, set that over there to the side. Lot number 4. For those of you guys who do not know, turquoise is my favorite color, or any variation similar to turquoise. And these kind of look like a teal turquoise kind of lace thing. So I really like this model. Now, I haven't looked at every single number. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what every lot number looks like. I do know that like some of them are suede and then others are leather. And then of course the 1 and the 50 are like the most sought after. But let's go ahead and take a full 360 for them, CK. Let's set the right shoe down on its side for the overhead, because you know we love those shots. And let's talk about the material on the shoe. So we have an all gray leather upper right here that goes on the entire shoe. Now we do have a mixture of canvas, which is on the toe cap here, along with the side panel. The swoosh is also that same gray leather. Of course, we got the off-white text, which kind of looks like a silver metallic-y look to it. What would you call that, C-Ken? kind of like a Hershey's wrapper. Hershey's Kiss wrapper. You know, it's like a little foil look to it. Of course, we got the Nike on the back. Then we have this yellow square little pull tab. And then the 0 out of 50, which is in this like purple, pink, green splatter, which I'm a really big fan of. And of course, as I mentioned, the turquoise laces or teal laces. And then this one has a plastic tab, hand tag, what would you call this? This one says Off-White on it, and it kind of looks like it was like digitally printed. There's like a hand here, and a face. Lot number 4 out of 50 CK. Let me go ahead and show you that for the people. And lastly, let's talk about the laces. We have the standard kind of like white creamish laces with the off-white laces in quotes. And then this model comes with a black tongue, and the insole looks like there's a face in there as well. That was a quick overview of the shoe that Robert got. So let me know, did Robert get something that's hot or is it a not? Lot number 4, I really like it. I hope I get something better, because if I don't, I'm just gonna throw the shoe. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm just throwing it on camera. Maybe not, because it goes for like $350, right? Most of these go for like $350. Oh, it could be the 50 and go for like $1,400. So let's go ahead and move this one over to the side so you can. Lot number 4 out of 50. Shout out to PBR. That's a nice looking shoe. Now let's pick up mine. Yeah. All right, let's just go for it, man. Waited already this long. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. You know, I'm not gonna be upset at either number I get. Oh, I don't wanna look at it. I don't wanna look at it. I'm not gonna be upset because I've been taking L's on the sneakers app for like 4 years, bro. So this is like my first exclusive access. So I'm grateful. You know, C-Ken, I'm grateful. But I'm not gonna go over the box because it's the same style box as the lot number 4. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into it and see what I got. Hit me with a slow-mo. Ah! Damn! It's not a 50 or a 1. What lot is this? Lot number 9. Hit me with the womp, womp, womp. All right, let's take out the other shoe, lot number 9. As I mentioned, I'm not gonna be mad about it because I got lucky either way. Grateful. DJ Khaled, I'm grateful. Thankful. Lot number 9, right there, baby. Move that one over to the side. And pow, boom, side view for the top down. All right, lot number 9. Let's get into a quick overview. Now, the shoe looks very similar to lot number 4, so I'm not gonna discuss the materials. I'm just gonna discuss the different colors. Now, obviously you can tell this one comes with the pink laces, which I'm not the biggest fan of. I wish it would have been the turquoise ones, but you get what you get and you don't throw a fit, right? At least that's what my wife says to my kids. Now, it also comes with a peach tag here, and then the tongue is a peach color. The insole as well is a peach color and not black like lot number 4. Still has the same style, same space, just in a peach colorway. And then the side hit here, which I actually am a big fan of, is the 09 of 50 in this bluish turquoise green. Of course, we got the turquoise square here. And everything else seems to be exactly the same. Same material, same leather, same canvas, and same gray outsole. So, for those of you who already commented, if you guessed Robert with lot 4, me with lot 9, I will comment and reply to you, and you are the winner of a signature bundle. But as I mentioned, the video is not done. We have 4 other off-white dunks right beside me that we got from Many Worlds, which is our sneaker boutique here in Phoenix. So let's go ahead and pull those up. Now, I'm not gonna do a full review. We're just gonna do a comparison, show you guys what we got. We're gonna set these off to the side and put these over here. Now let's grab the 4-pack. Woo! Ugh. Ugh. All right, so it looks like we have lot 13, lot 6, lot 50, and lot 11. Let's get to opening these up. Let's put this one here. Now I'm only gonna pull out the left shoe so it doesn't get too crowded up here. And I'll set the box down since we already know what that looks like. Ken's favorite out of the entire pack. So there you go, guys. There are the other 4 that we have here at Many Worlds, which is our sneaker boutique. I'm gonna start from the left, move all the way down to the right, and do a quick little overview. Now this shoe right here is lot number 13 of 50. And as you can tell, the main difference is gonna be the upper is suede and not leather like the 4 or the 9. Also, the toe box or toe cap area here and the side panels are leather. Comes with a blue hand tag. Kind of, what do you call this? It's not like a red, it's more like a tangerine, maybe? Like an orangey tint to this red. And then the side panel, 13 out of 50, is green and kind of a yellow mixture. Then we have an orange little square there. Now the tongue is blue on this lot number, and then the insole is blue, which I actually really like. That blue is really dope. I wish the laces would have been blue. That would have set it off for sure. You got that, Ken?
Yeah.
So that's lot number 13. Moving on to lot number 6 of 50. Now this one is identical to lot number 4 and number 9. The main difference is this lace here is more like a infrared lace with a kind of pink, peach looking tongue. Same thing with the hand tag. A yellow 6 of 50, and then a green square here with the insole being pink on this one. Pink peach, right? Pink peach kind of color. So that is lot number 6. Moving on to lot number 11. Yo, this shoe is massive, size 12. Lot number 11 out of 50. This one is similar to lot number, which one was this again? 13, with the suede upper leather on the side panels, toe box. The main difference, orange lace. We got a cream hand tag now, a cream tongue, same cream inside, and then a yellow pinkish 11 out of 50 with the green square. I actually really like this one. What do you think, CK?
Different for sure. I like that one.
Yeah, it's nice. I like this one. I like the suede. I actually prefer the suede over the leather shoes. I think it just looks a lot better. Now, last but definitely not least, lot number 50. Boom. Look at this one right here. This one, maybe I do a full review because it's a completely different colorway. Now, starting with the uppers, we have an all black leather upper mixed with a black canvas toe box and side panels. Now, this one has the metallic swoosh, similar to what is on like the Air Force Ones. Kind of like a little foil-y swoosh here. Of course, we got the foil look on the off-white text. Gray Nike symbol on the back. This one has the purple, and it's like a dark purple and light purple. 50 out of 50, and of course the purple hand tag here. Now, a lot of people are going after this pair. This is one of the sought after pairs after, I would say, the one. The one is probably the most sought after, but it's got the black laces, white laces, black tongue, all black everything. Of course, the black hand tag as well. Now, this one's really dope. CK, you said you didn't like it. Is there a reason you didn't like this one?
I'm just more of a vibrant guy.
Yeah.
I like more color. I don't wear all black sneakers.
Yeah, well, I'm different. Even though I'm bubbly, I prefer to be in all black. It's just my style. So I really like this one a lot. Let's go ahead and bring these all in real quick. Now, if you were lucky enough to get any pairs, make sure you protect them with our water and stain repellent. Of course, we got the new pump spray. And since this is my personal, we're gonna go ahead and protect it because I'm gonna rock these as soon as this video is over. Boom, that's all you gotta do. Make sure you use my promo code at rejuvenator.com. It is in the description below. There you go, Ken. Appreciate you. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you'd like us to review the other 44 lots, hit that like button. That's the only way I can prove to Steve that we need every single lot number to review in my size. But if you're new here, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you like today's video, hit that like button. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. CK, that's how we do it, baby. Man, pay me the big bucks. What's going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles here to announce one of our biggest sneaker giveaways ever. We're giving away 5 pairs of Off-White Dunks from the lot 1 through 50 to 5 lucky winners. It's gonna be done at random. We don't even know what shoe it's gonna be. It could be lot 1, it could be lot 50, it could be lot 9, but it's gonna be in your size, so make sure you sign up by clicking the link in the description. All you have to do is fill out your first and last name, email, and shoe size. That's it, it's that simple. The giveaway runs all the way to the end of the month. Good luck, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.